So this is our video club, and we're just here to get a couple shots of everything. They don't get out a lot, so they might just be a bit, you can handle it, it's okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm Emma,
Hello.
and these are my students that I brought here today. So we're gonna learn about what you have.
Okay, kids, this is a lug-all winch hoist. This was the first of its kind and started manufacturing in 1949. It sold for $29.50. In 1949, that was a significant amount of money. We have done the calculations, and based on today's dollar, that would be $385. The same lug-all model currently sells for around $320. We've been manufacturing in this location since 2008 for our domestic and international customers in Europe and Latin America.
What skill do you need to be good at your job here?
Well, first you need to have you need to pay attention to the details. First, you need to have good communication with your teamwork and good attitude to come and work.
Basically coming straight to work on time and just getting the stuff you need for whatever job you're doing.
So I would say the biggest skill is, being aware of the dimensions of the product that we're making. We want to make sure that we make a good product that the customer will be satisfied with.
Well, what I do, you need to be really good with your math, decimals, fractions, in general math. Be mechanically inclined.
I would say a lot of it comes down to being attentive. When you leave at the end of the day, you're putting out a quality product, and you can say to yourself that I gave it my all.
So you guys, aren't you really glad we came here today?
Yeah, this is actually really interesting.
Yeah, it is. That's what's so cool about manufacturing, guys.